Hey, this is ADD, man. We're back at the Motopimps compound, and Mark's gonna deadlift his 50.
You got it, bro. That thing's light as shit. It's fucking light. It's fucking little mini bike. Come on.
Hat's falling off.
You got it.
Bitch.
Dude,
Not
you're
too bad for a midget deadlifting a 50. It's alright. He did pretty good. 50's pretty heavy. 130, 140 pounds. If you think you could do it, fucking do it. Post some shit on YouTube. I bet you can't. Motherfucker. Yeah. Motopimps.com, motherfucker.
Okay, yeah. Mark's about to lift a 50. It's a lot smaller than the 125. And he feels really excited about this. Come on, bro, you got this. You're good, dog. Just throw it on the fucking ground. That looks cool when you do it.